Hey guys, this week you are graphing functions, and I know a lot of you don't have our Inspire calculator at home, and that's totally fine. So instead of using that Inspire, you can use Desmos.com. If you just type in Desmos.com, you'll get this screen. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and hit Start Graphing. You can actually use this website for any of your calculator functions. So even if you're not graphing something, if you hit the little keyboard on the bottom left, you can type in any function that you want, like even something simple like 8 times 6. Hit enter, it'll give you the answer. So this is a really good tool for you to have. If you're looking at this week's notes, the 9-2 exponential functions notes, I'm going to show you real quick how you would type in something like number 1. So if you wanted to type in 4 to the 1.7 power, you can use your keyboard and just type the number 4, or you can use the 4 at the bottom. And then if you look where you have the button A to the B, if you click that, that's going to raise your cursor to be an exponent. So I'm going to type in 1.7 as my exponent, and there it gives me the answer. So you can just type these straight in here if you don't have a working calculator at home. Now when you get to the graphing piece, if you look at number 5 for graphing, you're going to do basically the exact same thing. So you're going to type in the number 4 and then hit the A to the B power button. And then instead of putting in a number, this time I'm going to put X. You can actually type in Y equals 4 to the X, and it's going to give you the exact same graph. Now, if you look over here, the perfect points are marked for you, so I can see that my y-intercept is 0, 1. But also, if you click on the curve and drag, you can see all of the points of this curve. So you can see as you move to the left that it's getting closer and closer to 0. And it does look like it's going to actually touch 0, but we know from the notes this week that it doesn't actually touch 0. It's just so close that it's approaching 0, not actually crossing. So I wanted to make sure you knew how to use Desmos.com. It's really efficient for any of your graphing needs, and it should help you get through the notes from this week. Now, this video does not take place of your notes. Make sure you watch that whole video, but just know that when I'm using the Inspire calculator on the notes, you can use Desmos.com. Let me know if you have any questions.